It is Chelsea and Cole from HGTV's Down Home Fab. We are going to be taking the ultimate couples quiz to see who knows each other best. So, cheers, honey. May the best DeBoer win.
What's mine? Ha! Ready. Oh.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Gary's our sheep. He was bottle fed by Cole for a long time.
Yep.
And Nelson is...
Yeah, Nelson's one of our cows. He was just like our first white cow. And
he's mama's boy.
Yeah. Oh. Can it be an artist?
That I'm going to do an artist.
I'm still guessing. Ooh, this is a tough one.
Ready? Go. No. I wrote Garth Brooks.
Ah, you're right. What do you mean? You played some of these.
No, I didn't.
Okay. I still get a point for that.
No, you don't.
Yes.
For that one?
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't right.
Lies. I think she's lying.
Oh, yeah, I've just been drinking.
She
for
totally
fun.
lied.
Yeah, that's easy. I'm more vocal about what drives me nuts.
Jeez,
Okay.
It's taking a while.
Ready?
I'm ready. Okay, go.
Come on! Okay, this might not
Well,
sound annoying, but it is. We'll be running so late somewhere, and we'll park, and I'm like grabbing the kids running, like we gotta go in there now. And he has to stop and take a drink every time.
I need a drink of water.
Yeah, like every time we're
Quick
running
drink
late.
of coffee.
I said putting myself on your vanity.
Oh, yeah. I don't have a vanity. She's got two.
Like
we have two separate ones across the bathroom. I thought for once, maybe mine be clean and look great. No.
Okay, so this is what we have to talk about.
Whoa.
You'll start it with saying well, you know how you did this and this and this and this and this. And then you'll say what you want to do. And I'm like, all you have to do is say you want to do this.
I remind you?
Yes, of everything I've done.
Okay.
It's and I'm like, we don't have to compare. You can just
Like yesterday, you did this.
Yes.
Sometimes I don't notice that. Ooh, she's been eating so good for so long. Ready?
Yeah. Taco John's?
Yeah.
No.
Here's why. Because you said you had a binge burrito status there. Remember?
When I was pregnant with Aubrey in high school.
That counts.
That was 2 weeks.
Okay, fine.
Qdoba? What would you say?
T-bomb.
You've never eaten a Taco Bell
I know,
since we've
but
been together.
If we're gonna cheat, and Taco John's was her favorite for 2 weeks.
We're gonna fight about that later.
Do you want to tell us what Taco John's is?
Oh my god.
You guys don't have Taco John's?
No.
It's like a Midwest thing.
What?
Yeah.
You guys, everyone needs to go to Taco John's while you're here and get some potato olays.
Yeah.
Now you're holding it up for Taco John's.
See?
Because Taco John's is good, but I would
Because
never.
she lied.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
But also,
Get me a
I do
cheesy
love me
gritty
some
crunch.
Taco John's potato olays. What? Do you know what I'm gonna say?
Yeah. At least you have options.
At least I have. You're so mean. He does it every night. Aww. I saw you. Cole's never. Have you ever been mad at me?
I don't think so.
And I'm kind of a psycho sometimes, you guys. I am such a psycho sometimes, but you're always so nice. I love you.
I try. That's because I love you, honey. Cheers. I won.
I was gonna say I won.
Thanks, you cheated a lot.
Whatever, Taco John's.